name. And
And you?
where are you from?
I'm from Romania.
Oh, okay. And you can speak English, right? That's good.
Yes.
So, what do you do? Do you study or work?
No. No.
No? Okay. Then what do you do? What do you do for a living?
I stay. Nothing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. I'm from Bangladesh and my name is Sushanta Paul. Okay.
Santa Paul. Okay.
Yeah. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you study?
Yes, I'm a student. I'm a university student. Okay. And how old are you? May I know how old are you?
I'm 30.
20?
30.
30?
30.
Oh, that means you are older person than me. I'm just 24. 24.
24?
Yeah. Okay, so it's nice to meet you. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
So what are you doing now?
I stay with my kids.
Kids, so that means you are married. How many children do you have?
Not yet. Do. Two.
Two? Two boy or two son or two daughter?
No, two boys.
Oh, that's good. Okay. And what is the capital city of your country?
Bucharest.
Sorry, could you please repeat?
Bucharest.
Bucharest. Oh, okay, I know. Oh, I can see the very beautiful scenery behind you. I can see behind you. So beautiful scenery. Yeah, what is that? Owl.
Yes.
Is that owl?
No, yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's a wallpaper.
Yeah. And I can hear some noise like your baby maybe crying.
No,
No? Okay, okay. Then
it's
how old is your son? How old are they?
one year.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. So Dima, it's nice to meet you. It's nice talking to you. I'm glad to talk to you.
Nice to meet you too. Hey.
Okay. Uh,